When placing the heating pod on the glass container, always ensure the side handles are aligned with the sides of the pod, not the front and back, so that the handles won't be heated by the hot air from the air outlet at the back of the pod, preventing you from getting scalded. Choose containers of different capacities according to the amount of food. The Keep Warm mode is only used to keep warm the prepared food. Please do not use the mode for raw and frozen foods. Frozen foods can only be cooked with their frying mode in order to get the best cooking results. If there is no operation after turning on the machine or when selecting the mode, the screen will go out after 30 seconds. If the work is paused in the process, the screen will go out after 5 minutes without any operation.